Here you can see how the main system display looks like after the system has been started. It consists of the main situation display, a control panel and a toolbar. The main air situation display provides the main elements of the airspace structure depiction, including airways, seed, star schemes, waypoints, restricted, prohibited zones, and other chart information essential for a controller. But the main goal is to display an aircraft's position on a screen. In terms of airspace elements displaying, the system is quite flexible, and it gives the possibility to the controller to choose what chart information should be presented on a display. Air traffic controller can enable and disable the depiction of the following elements online: ATC charts, sector boundaries, routes, waypoints, aerodromes, grid settings, polar, geographical grids, landing lines, airport map charts, apron, runways, taxiways, stands. Vector map, possibility to change a background layout and display alternative map layer, OpenStreetMaps for example. For the track position displaying, Alpha system performs receiving, processing and fusing of data from almost all kinds of radar sources, including primary, secondary surveillance radar and Mode S radar. The system also provides ADS-B, MLAT and space-based ADS-B data processing. This data is used for 4D trajectory calculation and for the most precise aircraft positioning displaying. Two other elements which are displayed by default are control panel on the top of the window and the toolbar on the right-hand side of the window. Control panel contains blocks with the following information: current date and time. The next block includes a sector name and the controller who is on duty at the moment. The next one is dedicated to scale and units of measurement settings. The following blocks contain buttons which give access to the following windows. Multi-radar window is for surveillance source control, allowing to exclude any types of sources from the data processing, switch to the bypass mode, alternative data source, and select what radar source delivers information to the system. ADF subtab gives access to an automatic direction finder frequency selection. These settings are also available from the toolbar. Conflict Alert Management window allows to switch on and off conflict detection and sound alarming, shows alert history and logs. These settings are also available from the toolbar. Restricted and Prohibited Areas window is for restricted and prohibited zone management. These settings are also available from the toolbar. Scheduler window, which allows to set up aerodrome working hours and runway heading direction, changing schedule. The next block is fully dedicated to weather. It includes actual weather window, airport weather, weather balloon trajectory description window, SIGMAT information graphical display settings, dangerous weather phenomena description, and wind situation at different layers. The following information is sunrise, sunset time, and the last block includes aerodrome coded name, runway news, the latter of the current ATC message broadcasting, transition level and QNH data. Pressing on the runway news data opens airport weather window. Pressing on the transition level data opens a window with several system settings. Base aerodrome runway news and seat star management. Adjacent center information exchange settings. System settings. Equipment status and test subtab. These settings are also available from the toolbar.